Welcome to step 3 of the critical point. It is about decontextualizing. What is this process about? Strategists face several difficulties when they deal with critical points. One of them being bogged down by too many details. Therefore, a good idea is to remove all the irrelevant details to obtain a model that is both similar to the initial model and more easy to solve. Here is a graphical example. What do you see on this picture? Here, this is the same picture. We have only removed a few details. Is it clearer? Yes, I guess it is. We see now a dog. Now, take a few minutes to read the text of case 1. Now, please, read case number 2. You may find a few similarities between those two cases. Now, this is the model we have been using lecture 1. Two competitors, each of them holding 6 units of the same goods. These two firms serve 10 consumers, each of them asking for one and only one unit of the good. Their common reservation price is €10. Well, this model is a simplified version of case 1 and also a simplified version of case 2. While the details between those three models are changing, their nature is the same. We can even go one step further. Is the essence of this model similar with the essence of the following models? The answer to the question is yes, they are similar. Only their scale differs. Which one is the easiest to solve? I'm sure we share the same answer to this question. The last one is the easiest to solve. Here, this is our conclusion. Decontextualizing is about identifying the simplest and still equivalent version of the case critical point setting. As a process, it is about asking relentlessly, what do we lose if we remove an aspect from the problem, and can the problem be further scaled down? If the answer to the first question is nothing, then we can remove that aspect. If the answer to the second question is yes, then we will find a benefit to scale down the problem, simply because it is always easier to find a solution to a simpler problem. We have now reached the end of this presentation. Thank you very much for your attention.